Hello, Unity. Inri here, and I want to share today's daily word with you. Today, the word we're going to explore is empowerment. And our affirmation today goes, I find my empowerment by living from my divinity. Today, I give myself permission to shine. I need not wait for anyone to give me anything because, at the level of spirit, I have everything I could ever need. I am a divine being endowed with so many spiritual gifts that are mine to use as only I can. This is my empowerment, my ability to create the life of my highest imagining through the power of my thoughts and actions. I drop the weight of limiting beliefs that have held me back. In the past, I may have told myself that I didn't deserve the life I wanted, that I couldn't do the things that I wanted most to do. Now I tell myself a different story. I am deserving, I am capable, and I am empowered to accomplish all I set out to do. And today's scripture reads, Be strong and bold. Have no fear or dread of them, because it is the Lord your God who goes with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. And that is from Deuteronomy 31:6.